ओके शार्दुल, चैट जीपीटी ट्रेडिंग सिस्टम कैसे करेगा?
देखो 2-3 रील्स तो देखे हैं मैंने, उसमें हो जाता है।
रील्स, गिव मी अ प्रैक्टिकल वे टू डू इट।
मैंने तो रील्स ही देखे हैं।
कैसे होएगा?
प्रॉम्प्ट्स डालेंगे इसमें और वो बताएगा क्या करना है।
This is the problem. People think they can look at reels, look at other places. There's so much misinformation around AI. We'll make it simple. So we thought we'll make this video and we have Shardul right here over here. And we will talk about how you can use ChatGPT, create a system from scratch, put it inside and actually check whether the backtest works or not. Are you ready?
प्रॉफिट बनेगा ना?
ठीक है, स्टेप नंबर 1, टाइप लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब। सॉरी, ये आपके लिए था। दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी रियली यूजफुल। तो अभी लाइक करो, अभी सब्सक्राइब करो एंड लेट्स बिगिन। तो व्हाई यू वांट टू बिल्ड दिस सिस्टम?
बेसिक है, प्रॉफिट बनाना है ट्रेडिंग करके।
ठीक है, तो दिस इज लाइक सेइंग कि आई वांट टू बिकम अ पायलट विदाउट क्रॉसिंग क्लास 10 मैथ्स। तो ठीक है, आई अंडरस्टैंड, बट फर्स्ट लेट्स जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू बिल्ड अ सिस्टम। अ सिस्टम हैज 3 पार्ट्स। पहले एक ऑब्जर्वेशन होगा, फिर देन यूल कोड इट, देन यूल टेस्ट इट, and once it works, then you'll maybe forward test it, and then maybe you have a system. Most systems don't work. That's why you need to test them. So first step है observation. Let's imagine 2 types of stocks. Stock number 1 ऐसे करता है, and maybe at one point it will break out. Stock number 2 is a stock that's fallen, and हमें लगता है यार इतना गिर गया यार. Let it go up. So these are the 2 examples I've actually put here. And then this stock number 3, okay, which is doing this. ठीक है? Now tell me, इनमें से what kind of stock would you like to trade?
थर्ड वन।
You think the stock that's already going up, इसके ऊपर एक system बनाना है.
यस,
Why this one?
बिकॉज द चांस ऑफ इट गोइंग अप आर मोर।
तो हमको लगता है कि this is good, I'm comfortable with it. We can test it whether you are right or not, and we'll come up with a hypothesis and rules.
कूल।
And then we could be wrong. We will check it out. ठीक है? So now next step we have to find a way to find these stocks. What should we do?
इंडिकेटर,
Wow, very good. What indicator do you think we should use?
वो MSI ऐसा कुछ तो होता है।
MSI. फिर से try कर.
RSI,
RSI. It's not bad actually. So this is called momentum, right? Momentum is just moving up in a short period of time. So RSI is something we can use. Again, is RSI best indicator?
आप बताओ।
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. The second thing we can find out is अगर momentum बहुत high है, one is Bollinger Band, right? So I'll call it Bollinger Band. Okay. So you want to open up a chart and I'll just show you what RSI and Bollinger look like. Okay. So now we can see we have these 2 blue lines moving. Those are Bollinger Bands. And नीचे we have this line which is called RSI. Now this RSI basically measures momentum. अब हमारे पास 2 indicators आ गए हैं to measure momentum, and hopefully we'll get this third वाला kind of this thing. So far so good.
या
So now we need to make up a bunch of rules. Now how do you actually make up rules like this? You have to learn technical analysis. Watch the bunch of the videos we've made on LearnApp. We also have some great programs with a mentor in live classes where you can go in the membership, access that. But since if you don't know it, just follow along with us. So the first thing you'll notice is, 1, this price is going up. You see the RSI is above 70.
या
So let's assume when RSI is above 70, momentum is positive. तो ये फर्स्ट आपको रूल याद रखना है कि when RSI is greater than 70, momentum is up. ठीक है? Second, you will notice that when you see that green bar, it's closed above that Bollinger Band.
Yes.
That means momentum is really, really high.
ओके।
So that's our second condition. We want RSI to be above 70. We want the Bollinger Band to close above that blue line, and that gives us a signal कि now momentum is very high. We want to try to enter this stock. ठीक है? Now let's just move to the prompt and see ChatGPT कैसे help कर सकता है हमको इसमें. ठीक है?
चलेगा।
तो the first thing you need to do is whatever I just told you, आराम से take some time off and write that prompt. Cool. So let us explain what this is. Actually, Shardul, तू बता.
So basically we are using Bollinger Band and RSI,
Right?
and it has to be above 70.
Correct.
For the entry point, Again, it has to be above 70 and the candle should be opening above the Bollinger Band.
Close. And then stop loss के लिए what we discussed?
That we have to target the low of the same candle.
Same candle का low is the stop loss. And the target is going to be 2x. Now here's the question. If your entry is 100 and stop loss is 90, तो मतलब 10 रुपए का stop loss हुआ. तो अगर target 2x of stop loss है, कितना हुआ?
120.
Perfect. Nice. Now do we know that this works or not? We
Right.
don't. It's a freaking guess, right? At this point, we have a hypothesis. So we've written generate a Pine script code for backtesting on TradingView. Hit that enter button.
यार ये तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है. इसको क्या करना है? कॉपी करना है?
This is the code, bro. Like we'll copy this
Oh.
code and it's done.
Easy है.
Now, copy the code
हाँ.
and let's open TradingView.
ठीक है.
We're going to start Pine editor. So as you might have guessed, Pine is the code for TradingView. यहाँ पे paste. Okay, so now that entire thing, ChatGPT wrote the code for us. Okay, so for this now, click on add to chart. What the fuck happened? हो गया. Okay, अब तुम लोग जाओ. Thank you. As you can see, something happened to TradingView and it stopped working. But fine.
Wasn't my fault.
No, it is partly. It wasn't his fault. ठीक है, so it's finally working. We added to add to chart, and we see error 1390. कैसा लगा ये देख के error?
रील में तो दिखाया था एक बार डाल दोगे हो जाएगा.
ये रील से क्या obsession है रील से? कितने followers हो गए?
60,000.
Nice bro. Just follow Insta. हाँ. तो अभी क्या करना है तेरे को? नीचे जाओ.
हाँ.
So you copy this error. Copy it. नहीं वो.
अरे बहुत सारे आ गए.
In the next video, we'll learn how to copy stuff on the internet. तो पूरा copy करना है ऐसे और 39 भी आना चाहिए. Error at 39.
कंट्रोल से ओके. ये ChatGPT में डालना.
Copy. हाँ, just paste it on ChatGPT. It will understand कि कुछ error आ गया. Paste. Enter. Okay, so now apologies for the confusion. It's given you new code and ये debug हो गया.
अभी इसके नीचे ही पेस्ट करना.
नहीं. Select all, delete.
ओके.
Control V.
कंट्रोल वी एंड
Add to chart. Performance summary click करना. Nice.
ऑर्डर नहीं.
हटाओ ये कोई चार्ट का हटा लो.
Oh shit. Oh my god.
आईटीसी डालना आईटीसी.
So the problem here is ChatGPT doesn't know the answer. You don't know the answer because only people who've studied trading will know the answer. You cannot take trades on Nifty. So change this to, I don't know, something.
35.7%. बढ़िया स्ट्रेटेजी है ये तो.
Actually, it's not 35%. 35% looks great, doesn't it, guys? मस्त लग रहा है ना? Actually, 35% is win rate. Out of 100 trades, 35 trades were profitable. Left में देख, net profit क्या है?
ओके. तो -10. तो पैसा
ये सही है ना? लगा दे इस पे पैसा. Anyway, you wanna change this ITC to some other stock?
अभी येस बैंक करने का मन नहीं
करना yes बैंक करना. -3%. Now the question is this, Shardul. अगर ये 3% में कोई एक स्टॉक पे प्लस 25% हो जाता है, what will you do?
ये देखने के बाद तो मन नहीं करेगा बट लाइक फर्स्ट वो देखता तो आई वुड हैव
Done it.
यस.
So there could be someone sitting who puts a random stock, gets a stock that has given a profit and says, "Yeah, I will just trade the strategy." Don't do that. So even if we found a stock randomly, I'm sure if we go through 100 stocks, we'll find a net profit positive on someone randomly. That doesn't make the strategy good or that stock good.
Right.
The reason we do backtest is to remove human biases and get a computer, and you can do this on Excel also, right? Just an objective way to find out whether my entry exit criteria is correct or not over a long period of time.
राइट.
इसमें क्या biases थे?
तो बोलिंजर बैंड के जो रूल्स आपने सेट किए थे
But we tested them. तो RSI and Bollinger Band में तो bias नहीं है. और किस में bias हो सकता है? थोड़ा सोच सकते हो. आप लोग भी सोचो. What else could have a bias? We've selected ITC. Isn't
Right.
that a bias? Like, are you just going to trade this strategy on one stock? What if the stock was behaving in a certain way, then its CEO changed, the stock started behaving in a different way, then your strategy will stop working. You cannot select a stock. In fact, part of your selection of the stock should be mathematical. So you can say, stocks which have done X, I will only trade those stocks.
ठीक है मतलब पाइन स्क्रिप्ट से अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो व्हाट्स द अदर वे वेयर आई कैन लर्न दिस.
So one way is for sure, you shouldn't jump to backtesting. You should learn basics of trading. You should learn technical analysis. One good software is AmiBroker, which can actually do this in a much better way because it's like really, really old. It's an EXE program. It's not on the cloud and all of that, but it does a good job. Another good backtesting software is actually Excel.
Okay.
है तो data ही, right? All these tools help you synthesize data better. So we run Prime, as you know, every single weekend. Go to the link in the description, fill it out. It's a free class. You can learn some technical analysis and build an actual strategy that is backtested with the mentor. So you'll understand chalta kya hai, and that strategy is more reliable than this, and it's a longer term horizon. So you can check that out. तूने attend किया Prime?
ये वीकेंड करूंगा.
अच्छा, तुझे कितना टाइम हो गया लर्न ऐप में यार? But we are making this video why? Because a lot of people are going to go to ChatGPT, copy this on Pine Editor and start trading, and you will lose money. You know what's common with crypto, AI now, ChatGPT, tips and all these things? What is the most common thing in all of them?
श्योरिटी नहीं है.
हाँ, and greed है, quick money है. That basic human need कि यार there's a shortcut to do something, and now people feel AI is the shortcut, and we are trying to do AI videos to tell you AI will get there, AI will be smarter than us, not yet. So what did we learn today? 1. PineScript is not perfect. 2. Neither is ChatGPT. They are also learning from us.
Yes.
So what should you do? You should make sure that you actually learn a skill and then use it as a tool. So if you're a copywriter, you should learn copywriting really well and then use ChatGPT as a tool.
Yeah.
And did you enjoy yourself?
Yeah. And one more thing, don't believe the reels completely. Try it.
Hope this was useful. Give a shout out to Shardul for coming out and doing this because he doesn't know a lot about trading but still was a sport to sit with us and figure this out. And say something nice about it in the comments and we can do an episode 2. Tell us what we should cover. Anything else, Shardul?
So like, share and subscribe to LearnApp's YouTube channel. And if this video gets 5,000?
Okay, 5,000 likes?
5,000 likes, then we'll make a part 2 of this.
ठीक है, but तू आएगा ना?
हाँ आऊँगा. Profitable strategy सीखनी है.
We'll figure this shit out. See you in the next video.
ये फैल रहा है, लंबा क्यों नहीं हो रहा? जिसे तक क्या है ये? हाँ.
बस ट्रेडिंग में कुछ चार्ट चला गया.
ओके समझा. यहाँ पे जूम किया इसने.
निजदा ये तो हो गया ब्रो. एरर क्यों नहीं आ रहा है?
स्ट्रैटेजी रियली वर्क्स.
बॉयज इन फाइनेंस.